She a five-star lady, body physically sexy, something steady, smooth like a five-star lady, that's my baby, the girl that amaze me,
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a soup for you guys. I'm teaching you guys how to do it. So we have Trader Joe's pepper sauce. We have the Matux pepper sauce. This is actually green seasoning. Then we have vegetable broth. You guys can use any broth if you want to, but I like that one. We have carrots, cilantro, onions, potatoes. Then we have coarse cornmeal. So the reason why we use this one is because when we make the dumplings, it gives it a better texture. Then we're also gonna have some flour. Here I have all-purpose flour. All right, so let's get started. So this soup is perfect for when you're sick, when you're not feeling good. This soup is perfect just for a hearty, good, healthy meal. I definitely love making this soup. It's really simple, it's really easy, and anybody really can make it. So we're just gonna chop up all our ingredients. Girl, we ain't cutting it like that. We're putting all that stuff in the trash bag so that we can make it simple and easy for us. Alright, so now let's start cooking. So we got the olive oil, we got the onions, we got the carrots. But I would recommend that you put the carrots first because they take longer to cook. But I did it this way, it's still gonna turn out fine. So now I'm gonna add some frozen cassava. I just added that in there towards the end. We're gonna add the coconut milk, and coconut milk is so amazing in this soup. Like, it just makes it come together. So the cassava also adds a very hearty texture to this. You want to make sure that this cooks through as well. Then I'm gonna add my vegetable broth and some water. That's about 3 cups of water. So this is green seasoning. This comes from Trinidad, and you guys can look up a recipe online. Don't forget to add your pepper sauce, y'all. Y'all don't be flavoring your food. That's why I don't taste it. Alright, so we're gonna stir it all together and let it come to a boil. Now let's get into the dumplings. This is my favorite part. So I'm gonna take a bowl and I'm 1.5 cups of flour. Girl, I don't even be measuring, so don't even take any measurements from me. I'm literally making a concoction with this. I'm eyeballing it, but it depends on how many dumplings you want to make. If you would like specific measurements, leave a comment down below. But I'm taking about 1.5 cups of flour, and then I'm putting the coarse cornmeal together. I grinded this up a little bit because I want it a little bit thinner. So if you want to get fine grain cornmeal, then you could do that. Now I'm gonna add in my salt, my adobo, and sugar. Yes, sugar. It sounds interesting, but just trust me. It just adds this different flavor to it. I'm gonna put a little hole in there and make sure that you eyeball the water that you put in. Put a little bit of water, mix it up, and you want it to get to that texture that it's flaky on your fingers like that. Then I'm gonna add a little bit more water, but not too much. The reason why you're doing this is because you want to make sure that it's not sticky. You want to have a tough consistency. Alright, so now it came to a boil. All of the ingredients smell amazing. Let it sit and simmer. So I'm gonna take my fingertips and pinch the flour, and then I'm gonna get an eyeball for the size that I want, but make sure you make all of the dumplings around the same size. This is garlic powder, onion powder. We have something called mushroom seasoning and salt, preferably Himalayan salt. So now we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. So we have onion powder, garlic powder, and we're gonna add our cilantro in there. Now you can hear your pot boiling, and that's exactly what you want. So now it's ready to serve. Simple and easy, and it tastes amazing. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna try the soup. My battery's dying, but I wanna let you guys know how it tastes. That's so good. I think that's the best I've ever made it. This is from the islands, from Trinidad. My mom taught me how to make the soup, and this is ultimately my favorite soup. So I know you guys can try it too. Thank you for watching this video, and let me know in the comments down below how it was. Thank you. I'm outside in it.
Lord.
Two-time baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, gotta watch your time, 'cause it's flying right. Two-time baby girl, you